How do you change a person's name on messages on the iPad? Let me talk about it and explain the way you can approach this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when I get in touch or open up my messages right here, you can see I have the person that I'm texting with at the top. I can see their name as well as profile picture. So if I want to change that, I can tap on it like this, and you can see that I have it stored in my contacts. But I have also the ability to click on edit and edit the contact info. This is going to give me the ability to change the name right here. So I have the first name, last name, even middle name. So it depends on how I have the contact saved, and I can change it to be something else. I also have the ability to edit the profile picture and also add some different details about that contact. And if I do change it, then it's also going to be reflected in some other places, like including the messages and phone app and so on. It could also happen to you that you don't have the person stored in your contacts in here, and you would like to change the name of this. Right, so that is a bit of a different story, honestly, but you can as well do some things about it, because you can tap on the person's icon right there as well, and you will have the ability to create a new contact. So if you don't have them saved, you can create a new contact like this and set up a different name for them. So once you set up a new contact with a new name, then it will be changed or replaced with the thing that you just set up. So I hope it helps. I really hope that I was able to explain the way you could approach this. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I will talk to you later in the future uploads.